I previously filmed an old desk tour at our old house, and I thought, well, it's time for an update. I need to film my new desk. To give you a quick overview, this desk is next to the kitchen in a corner. And I found a desk that perfectly fits in this space. It has the exact measurements. So it's a little messy on the ground and it's a mess over here. This is my husband's second desk setup. It's mainly for him and I to play Minecraft together because he has another desk upstairs, but this is his. And we have storage for office stuff, a printer, paper shredder, Wi-Fi system, doorbell system. I bought this camera that I need to set up with my PC so I can do some game streaming, which is something I want to try to get into. This is my gaming PC. My headphones, my 2 speakers, this little riser stand for the monitor, keyboard, armrest, phone charging mat, my mouse, and my MacBook. And then I have an Xbox controller that's on a charger. So the reason it's on this side is because this is where the PC stand is. This desk has a built-in PC stand. So moving over this side, that's a lot of shelf space and a little light on it. So I have all of my trinkets. My camera gear is on this side. My Disney memorabilia. As you can tell, I like the orange bird. And then I have this sign over here above this computer. And then some office supplies. Over here I have some work papers. There's a bunch of outlets, but I don't really use it. My headset, my work monitors, I have 2, and then my work laptop, keyboard, mouse, mouse pad, a phone stand, my glasses, and a little light. So that's really about it, just a quick video. It's really convenient. I got my work, personal desk, and all that stuff in one area. It gives me a place to display the things that make me happy. It's one of my favorite spots in the house.